In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your scenarios list with sorting and filters. Let's get straight to it. Start by opening your workspace and heading to the scenarios page. This is the central place where all your scenarios live, so it's the best spot to bring order to what might feel like a long, messy list. Give the page a moment to load fully so everything is up to date before you make changes. Once you're on the scenarios page, look for the sort option. You'll usually find it near the top of the list, often labeled Sort, or represented by an icon like up and down arrows or A to Z. Click it to open the sorting and filtering controls. This is where you decide what you want to see first and how you want to narrow things down. Next, choose the filter that makes the most sense for what you're trying to find. Filters help you limit the list to only the items that match certain criteria, such as status, owner, date, priority, or category. Pick a filter that aligns with your goal. For example, if you're reviewing recent work, select a date-related filter. If you're tracking progress, choose a status filter. As you make your selection, the interface may show additional options like specific values or ranges. Select what's relevant, keeping it as focused as possible so the list becomes clearer and easier to scan. After you've made your choice, apply the filter. Use the Apply button to confirm your selection. When you click Apply, the page will refresh the list based on the criteria you set. Watch for a brief loading indicator or subtle highlight to confirm the change. You should now see an organized list, where the scenarios match your filter and are presented in a more meaningful order. This makes it faster to spot what needs attention and reduces the time you spend scrolling. If the list looks the same after applying, check that a specific filter value was selected and that there are items matching that choice. Small adjustments, like choosing a broader or narrower value within the same filter, can refine what appears without changing your overall approach. That's the entire process. Go to the scenarios page, open the sort option, choose a filter that fits your task, and apply it. With that, you get an organized list that highlights exactly what matters right now, helping you work more efficiently and with greater clarity.